The Tale of the Little Chirper. Meet Charlie the Cricket. Charlie is a small, shiny insect with long antennae. He lives in a cozy habitat of tall green grass and cool, shady gardens. He loves to hide under leaves where it is safe and quiet. What does Charlie eat? Crickets have a varied diet. They love munching on fresh green leaves, sweet fruit, and even tiny seeds. They are like the little gardeners of the meadow, eating bits of plants everywhere they go. Charlie doesn't live in a house like yours. His home is a small hole in the ground or a crack under a big rock. This nest keeps him warm and protects him from the rain and wind while he rests during the day. A cricket's life cycle is like magic. It starts as a tiny egg in the soil. Soon, a baby cricket crawls out. It grows bigger and bigger, shedding its skin many times until it finally becomes a grown-up with wings. Did you know crickets are the cleanup crew of nature? By eating dead plants and old leaves, they help turn them into healthy soil. This helps new flowers and big trees grow strong in the forest and your backyard. Charlie has a big family. Mother crickets lay many eggs to make sure there are lots of babies. The father crickets are the ones who make the music. They work together to fill the fields with happy sounds. The babies are called nymphs. They look just like their parents but are very tiny and do not have wings yet. They spend their time hopping through the grass, learning how to find food and stay safe from birds. Here's a fun fact. Crickets don't have ears on their heads. Instead, they hear with their legs. They have special spots on their front legs that pick up sounds from the air. Isn't that silly and amazing? How does Charlie make his song? He doesn't use his voice. He chirps by rubbing his wings together. One wing has a comb and the other has a scraper. It's like playing a tiny violin with his wings all night long. Crickets are also super jumpers. They have very strong back legs that help them leap high into the air. If Charlie is ever in a hurry or scared, he can jump many times his own body length in just 1 second. What is so special about crickets? In many places, people believe they bring good luck. Their cheerful chirping is a sign of a happy, healthy home. Hearing a cricket means nature is singing just for you. Crickets are thermometers too. If it is very warm outside, they chirp fast. If it is cool, they chirp slowly. You can almost tell the temperature just by counting how many times Charlie sings his song. Most crickets like the nighttime. They are nocturnal, which means they are most active when the moon is out. While you are tucked in bed, Charlie and his friends are busy exploring and singing under the stars. They are very brave little bugs. Even though they are small, they play a big part in the world. They show us that you don't have to be a giant to make beautiful music or help the planet stay green. Next time you are in the garden, listen closely. If you hear a chirp-chirp, say hello to Charlie. He is a small friend with a big heart, a loud song, and a very important job in our big, wonderful world. If you like this story, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Kids love nature.